Today we're gonna take a 14 hours train ride from Chiang Mai to Bangkok in third class for just $7. Is it gonna be that bad, or actually we are gonna be surprised? Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And with a very quick 10 minutes drive, we are arrived at Chiang Mai railway station.
I cannot wait to take our train.
โปรดทราบขบวนรถที่กำลังเข้าสู่สถานีเชียงใหม่
We bought the ticket on the official National Railway website, and we actually had to print them because they are not accepting e-tickets.
Passengers are traveling on this train. Please kindly board on platform number 3. Thank you.
This is our coach. And this is our seat. So the third class is just really simple. One seat for 2 people. There's no AC, and right now it's not an issue, but we'll see along the day. We have a lot of fans for some air, and actually the windows are open. And since there's no noise because we have to departure in 30 minutes, I'm gonna give you a little bathroom tour. The smell is really disgusting, and the WC is not that clean, but right now there's toilet paper. The window is actually broken, so if it's gonna rain it's gonna be a problem. And there's a little sink with some water inside. It's not that great, but we are in third class, so...
The train should leave at 6:30 a.m. And we arrived at the railway station pretty early, almost 1 hour earlier, because it's recommended. Also because the boarding was called 30 minutes before the departure. Better be early than sorry.
6 minutes.
โปรดทราบขณะนี้โปรดทราบขณะนี้ได้เมื่อเวลาเปิดขบวนรถเป็นขบวน
We are moving!
It's actually kind of cold with all the wind. Wow, the sunrise is incredibly beautiful this morning. Very pretty.
Yeah, so pink.
Yeah. First of many stops. Even though it's next to the toilets, I may have found my favorite part of the train, the back. Because it's open and you can properly see the railway passing through and all the landscape around. It's so pretty. There are many people passing by selling whatever. We saw water, we saw meat, any kind of meat, and there are not that many vegan options, so we brought snacks. We have a ton of them.
Okay, so let's have a tour of this train. We are at car number 9, which is the last one. To cross the cars, there's nothing. There's just this bridge, but without doors, without glass, so it's really, really raw. Car number 8 is third class, like our car. Car number 7 is third class as well. Let's see if I can go in another class. I don't know how it's possible, but this is car number 3, and I think that this is the second class because the seats are well kept. The car number 2 is actually the first class. You can tell also because all the people here are tourists, and the seats are really spacious. You have a desk where you can work or just put your stuff, and there's a lot of space for your legs. So cool. And there's no AC also in this one. Okay, but there's a door. And as you can see here, there are some bunk beds with people sleeping and also some hammocks. Sorry. But it's only for the staff, so I cannot go there. Sorry. This is the first class toilet situation. There's more space than our toilet, but still an average one. So for what we saw, I don't think that the first class or the second class really worth the higher price of the third class because there's no AC as well. The toilets are pretty much the same, and just to have a little bit more space on the seat and the toilet, I don't think this is worth it. With all this walking, I'm hungry. Babe, what do you think about eating something? Yes.
Dehydrated bananas. It's 100% banana, and they're very tasty. I love them.
They taste like banana. It's time to taste the sweet potato sticks. They are 100% sweet potatoes. They are really, really tasty. The texture is a little bit gummy, but they are really tasty and delicious.
Anyway, we tried to get some work done, and we did for a bit, but our butt cheeks are hurting because the seat is very hard. I'm sitting like holding the Mac and everything while working and editing. Then it gets stiff under there.
And we also looked a lot outside of the window, and the surrounding around us were really, really incredible. There were like little villages, rice field, fruit fields, jungle, and it was really, really beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's like a free tour, kind of free. Very busy. In the third class where we are, there are no plugins, so don't forget your power bank because otherwise you won't have any way to charge your devices.
Even though there's toilet paper in the bathroom, bring your own toilet paper because it's cleaner. And to do not buy a lot of plastic, bring also your filtering water bottle. This is our survival kit.
And since we can say it's lunchtime, we are gonna taste the hummus we found and some rice cakes. Smells like garlic. Love it. This hummus is very, very good. A lot of garlic, but so tasty. And not too salty. Love it. I wanna kill myself for thinking it was cold this morning. We're here editing, or at least trying to, and we had to put down the shade, but it's doing nothing because it's very, very hot and humid.
A little tip for you. If, like us, you want to take a train from Chiang Mai to Bangkok, book the seat on the left of the train. Because on that part there's the sun in the morning, and instead where we are now, the sun is in the afternoon and it's really, really hot. So I suggest you to choose wisely where you want to sit. And now it's snack time with the peanut biscuits. No, baby, it's like eating peanut butter but crunchy.
It's another snack time. I lost count of how many snacks we ate. This time is jackfruit, dried jackfruit. 100% jackfruit. Tastes like jackfruit, but it's crunchy. I like it. And just like that, we are in
Bangkok!
Bangkok!
Wow! I felt every hour of this 14-hour train ride.
But we made it.
But we made it!
Okay, so how was this experience as a whole?
Cool. Because for $7 you arrive in one day from Chiang Mai to Bangkok, and the seats are kind of comfortable, there's toilet, we were able to refill our grains, so overall not that bad.
There are some compromises on comfort because obviously it's third class, but still it's $7. Would we do it again? Yeah, probably yes.
Tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow.
Maybe not tomorrow. If you like this video, please like it.
And subscribe, because there will be another vlog similar.
Yeah, because we're not stopping in Bangkok. So spoiler.
Spoiler. Bye!
See you in the next one.
What?